I felt like WrenchWay connected more with technicians, which was what we were needing. I can go to almost any personnel place and get a secretary or a warehouse person or office people or whatever, and I can usually, open a job myself on Facebook or whatever, and you can get tons of those people. Technicians are really hard, so you have to find somebody who has some kind of connection, and I know you guys do a lot with the techs on trying to maintain them. But like WrenchWay was taking more of an effort to stay in touch with these technicians and get information out there and let them know that their shop's hiring, and the platform was just better. It was just, the information was current, and that's what I liked about it.
We now go to every high school hiring event in our area. We go to Madison College, speak to people. I'm involved in the Dane County School Consortium Board and the Madison College Advisory Board. So just trying to stay connected. That's really the reason we got connected with WrenchWay, to be able to connect with the schools and post things that we have to offer or respond to requests they have if we can help out. It takes a village to get this done, and we can't do it ourselves. We know there's needs for the schools, but we don't always know it, and they don't always know what we have to offer. So it's a great way to connect the two.
All of the kind of throwing stuff at the wall and hoping it sticks through all of the other sites. This is more of a dialogue type site. So we're getting better traction. People show up for interviews that we connect through this. So, a lot of the ghosting issues we've had with candidates that have come up through some of the other sites, that's something we don't experience as much because we're able to validate a lot more beforehand. And that way, when these candidates come in, they know that we're something they want to be a part of, and we know that they're somebody we want to be part of our organization. So it helps us connect a little bit easier as well.
We get a lot of applicants that come through, and we interview every single one of them. We don't always, depending on how those interviews go, we don't always select every single candidate. But the nice thing is that we typically get a large amount of applications in a month. I will tell you, now I've taken myself off the distribution list, and that's been in the last 2 weeks because I need to put that in James's ballpark for him to handle. But I'll be honest with you, I would get a WrenchWay application. I'd probably get 3 to 4 per week, roughly, consistently. Like, I would see them come in all the time, but I mean, we have a pipeline with you guys with applications.